Alright, this is just a quick tutorial on how to sign on to your code.org course for the first time. So it's a little bit different this year. We're not actually going to go to code directly and sign in using your student email. Instead, what you could do is you're going to go to your coding tab. So you might normally be in your process journal looking at your day 29. But you need to go to the coding tab here. And this video is actually going to belong in the coding tab, so hopefully you can find it pretty easily. From there, you're going to find the day that you need, or the page that you need to have. So in this case, this is Tech 3B. So click on that, and you're going to see a link. This is a link that is for this particular class, so 3B would use just this link. And in this case, this particular student is going to have a secret word or phrase, and his is Sandwell. I have put everybody's down here, so you will have a different set of words, but these are the words that you are going to need to get on to the code course. So from here, you just click the link. It's going to bring up our class. You'll see everybody's last name. You're going to find wherever your last name is, and then you're going to go ahead and put in those secret words that exist right here. So in this case, Salmu, he's in here somewhere. So he would just type in Sandwell. Okay, and then hit sign in. You're going to put in your age, I'm going to guess, or just hit continue. Does not really matter, just make sure you get that in there. From there, here's your course. All of these little circles, just a reminder when it comes to these, you need to complete them fully. So you have a challenge that is given to you. In this case, this challenge might be as simple as moving the angry bird to the pig. So your problem here is got to get the pig. You have multiple ideas and solutions here. You're going to come up with a solution over here, and then you're going to test it and evaluate it. Should sound really familiar because that is the design cycle. Coding will eventually get extremely difficult. The sooner you can figure out to use the design cycle to answer these questions, the better off it is. Also, make sure you're looking at your workspace right here. This is how many blocks you're supposed to use at the most. This is how many you currently have. The when run block does count. So besides that, all you have to do is just move the blocks out, making it do whatever you want them to do. Yes, very nice. So one thing I want to remind you, one last thing. Right here you will see your progress on this particular lesson. So this is lesson 2, the maze. You'll notice that I finished that level. I finished it with below the under required blocks. So it is now solid green. If you do this, but you use too many blocks on it, you're going to get kind of a light green. So let me see if I just put too many here. It's very, very nice. Lovely. But you can see, congratulations, you completed it. However, you used too many blocks. So if I hit continue and we go back and look, this solid green meant I did it right. This lighter green circle means I did not do it correctly. It is very important that you have all green circles. Remember, you can do this 100,000 times. You are not going to get docked for it. Also, last thing, for those of you that don't speak English as a second language or as a primary language, you can see there's tons of other languages here. You are more than welcome to choose a different one if you would like to.